Hey there. If you clicked over from my short, you already know that extreme summer heat is an active mechanical assault on both your home and your health. As the human body matures past 45, standard physiological shifts alter how we handle rising temperatures, making generic advice like just drink water completely insufficient. To fix this, we took industrial grade environmental health and safety protocols and packed them into a 25-page interactive PDF. Instead of a boring ebook, you get 8 functional, fillable tools. This includes a medication heat risk audit to track how daily prescriptions affect your body, the heat exhaustion and stroke triage protocol with clear binary decision trees for crises, and a home cooling and thermal resilience audit to evaluate structural vulnerabilities and thermal stress points in your home. The entire 8 tool system is available for instant download right now for an introductory price of just $27. Click that very first link in the description box below and head straight over to the secure checkout page and download your copy instantly. Protect your home, protect your health, and stay safe this summer.